Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the DNS server on your Amazon Fire TV and possibly fix some internet connection issues or speed it up. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to Settings, then go on down. Now what we want to do is go to My Fire TV or Devices and Software and select it. Then go to About, then scroll on down to Network. Now under here, you want to go ahead and copy down your IP address and your gateway. Otherwise, what you can do is simply just take a picture of it on your phone and then come back to it later on. And we'll need this for the DNS settings. Alright, so I took a picture of that. So let's go ahead and back out of here. And now we want to go to Network under the main settings menu. Then go to your currently connected internet. I have Scump located right here. I'm going to press the button with the 3 lines on my remote. Then select the middle confirm button and then forget that network. Then go to see all networks and find that network again. So here's Scump. Let's go ahead and reconnect to it and then type in the password. Now when you type in the password, on the bottom it will say advance, and this will become an option that we can select. So we don't want to go to connect, we want to go to advance once we type in the password, and this will allow us to go to the next screen. Now go ahead and type in your IP address that you wrote down before, and this could be like 192.168, and then some other numbers. Yours is going to be different than mine. Then go on to next once you have this typed in. Now go ahead and type in the gateway, and this is probably going to be very similar to your IP address, so like 192.168, then some other numbers. Then just for the prefix, just type in 24, and then go on to next. Then here's the DNS. So the auto one is 8.8.8.8, which is the Google DNS server. Let's go ahead and try a different one. Let's just type in 1.1.1, and this should be the Cloudflare DNS. So let's type this in and then go to next, and then type in 1.0.0.1. and then go on over to connect. So let's connect now, and it's connecting to that specific DNS. And that is how you can specifically change your DNS over. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.